In this Learn It Quick video, I'm going to give you the key information about the Release 25 enhancement called Widgets. Widgets are a new component that can be placed on a composed page, and they look like this. So here are the key things that you need to know. So these widgets can appear as tiles with attached values that appear like a watch list badge. But also you can have attached badges with text to add clarity to the information that's displayed. Also, widgets can be seen as various types of charts, graphs, and meters as you see here. Now, what is important to note about widgets is that they use orchestrations to collect the data that is displayed. So our orchestrations that we create are going to be for data extraction instead of process automation as we might use them mostly. So we can use our form requests or data requests to collect that data. Also, we can use an orchestration that uses a connector that does a REST call to a third-party site to collect information. Then with our orchestrations created, we can create our widgets. Now we can use a single orchestration to actually create multiple widgets. So here on the widget page, we select the type of widget we want to use, and we select that orchestration and the outputs from the orchestration that will feed this widget, whether that's a tile or a chart. Then we can preview the widget and make any changes desired before we go over to the EnterpriseOne side and open the Page Composer. Here inside the Page Composer, we use a designer pane as the component that is going to house the widgets. So we have our designer pane and we would put that on that screen. But they can appear in a watch list pane over here as well if we've created a text badge widget. So they look like a watch list, but they are created by a widget. Also, you can see with these chart widgets, we can see different types displayed with the ones that I created using the weather information. I could create this widget multiple times with various locations to be displayed. So it would display the temperature and the weather forecast. So we have a lot of flexibility with using widgets to generate great data for our company. So that's a quick look at what you need to know about widgets.